okay. The Capricorn feels like this is a very strong soul connection, but nagkaroon ng maraming misunderstanding, challenges sa love connection na to. Kaya, right now, sabi ng mga Capricorn, mas okay para sa kanya to step back at makapag-isip. Mag-isa muna, mag-isip, to trust your own judgment. Wala akong nakikitang pagbabago sa connection na to. Both of you may stubborn energy of paulit-ulit lang, no? You're trapped in the, yung mga dati yung ginagawa na hindi naman healthy for this connection, nandun pa rin. There's still the energy of betrayal. But sabi ng mga Capricorn, gusto niyang ayusin ang energy ng connection na to. Sabi ng person ng mga Capricorn, may dishonest energy na daw sa connection na to. Meron daw dalawang babaeng na i-involve here, kaya sabi ng feminine, worth it pa ba? At sabi din ng masculine, paano rin ba siya magpapaliwanag sa feminine kung ano yung nag-transpire, kung ano yung nangyari sa connection na to. This is a very sticky situation na hindi madaling magpaliwanag at sa side ng feminine, hindi rin madaling magpatawad, umintindi. Okay? May nakikita na akong blame game dito kung kanino to nagsimula. This is like magkakalabasan ng scoreboard kung sino ang gumawa nito, sino ang mas nasaktan, or whatever. Okay? Which is, mahalaga pa ba na ilabas yung scoreboard na yan? If pag-uusapan kung paano aayusin to, yes. But, if this is like magbabatuhan lang kung sino ang mas kung sinong mas nakagawa ng hindi maganda, I don't feel that that would be a healthy conversation, okay? So, meron ako nakikitang doubts here kung makaka-recover pa ba sa heartbreak sa dami ng nangyari sa situation na to. Until the end of first quarter, gustong makipag-usap ng masculine, pero mag-hold back siya because hindi niya alam kung paano i-deliver tong message na to. But I feel magkakaroon ng little kamusta. Okay, kamusta ka na? You doing good? Like that? But I don't feel na ready yung masculine sa, sabihin natin, uncomfortable conversation na to. Because naandun pa rin sa masculine yung immaturity on handling conversation, relationship, and, taking personal accountability. At may stubbornness din ako nakikita sa masculine na parang hindi niya kaya. Pag sinabi niya hindi niya kaya, hindi niya siya mag-e-effort na ayusin tong connection na to. So, paano nga ba maayos? Okay? To manifest a harmonious and loving connection, Madagascar Rose Quartz. If you're manifesting stability, we have here the Brazilian citrine, the happy crystal, happiness and abundance, prosperity. Okay? The carnelian is the courage for you to do, okay, a little push, if you need a little push sa mga bagay na gusto mong gawin. Okay? Any more clarification para sa outcome? To protect your manifestation and your energy, Madagascar Black Tourmaline, okay? PM nyo lang ako kung paano magkaroon ng high quality, blessed, cleansed, and ritualized crystals na to. I don't know, masculine, if you're listening to this, it feels like the masculine has an unhealthy pattern na pag hindi na niya maayos yung connection, nag-start siya ng bago. A feminine or an energy that is not familiar with his insecurities, with his immaturity, no. May mga kailangan mabago sa connection na to. Kasi you know what, masculine? Walang connection na magtatagal if papalit-palit ka lang just because you're choosing a new person kasi hindi ka niya kilala. Mas madaling bulahin kasi hindi pa alam yung patterns. But eventually, malalaman din ng new person yung ugali. And, kumbaga, this is like a ticking bomb. Na eventually, malalaman din ng new partner yung mga immaturity at toxicity sa masculine na to. At hanggang kailan lang ang expiry ng new connection. Something has to change and someone has to grow up. Someone has to take the personal accountability na hindi pwedeng papalit-palit lang ng person because ayaw gawin yung maturity and responsibility and yung growing up to do para magkaroon ng healthy relationship. Alright? And that would be the Capricorn reading for the month of January. PM me for your personal reading at kung paano magkaroon ng high quality, less cleanse and ritualize the crystals para enlightened guide. Bye-bye, Capricorn!